Hello, hi everyone. Today we will unboxing one kit from Gundam Next Universal Century. This one is RX-78F00 -E Gundam EX-001 G.L.R.S.S feather unit. This one is, I think they use a base model F00, but they got some expansion. First, see here the box, then this info, marking sticker. This G.L.R.S.S feather units. Ni without backpacks. It's a review, front view. It's like high performance solar power generation cell group. You got a manipulator and here, then this no need for glue. There's all the color parts here, but this mention like a HG, but the scale is HG 144. It's a backpack and some parts for the armor. Okay. The price is around 140 ringgit, but I get around 90 ringgit. So let's see what inside here. First we have first pack here, got a sticker and some very big sticker, usually for the wing parts, the backpacks. And I1, I2 is a marking sticker. I1 and I2, but not the same parts for the armor and the backpack. Next pack is knife. So here you can see the detail here, mostly for the backpack. It's a runner L. It's a clear parts. Runner K. Got some parts already detached here. This is a runner C, mostly for in the frame. This runner A, for armor part for the color one, red, yellow, blue, and clear part for the eyes. And the last pack here, got a polycap. This is runner B for the armor. Shield. And last is a runner J, still for in the frame and some of the thruster. Maybe got some weapon here. It is hand parts here. Okay, so you go to the manual. So this is the manual. You can see here we got like runner parts here. And this runner, some runner got X here, means they cross out. So this one, this part is not using, and got sticker. Okay, start with the body, simple, the head parts, the left arm, this is right arm, left arm, right leg here, left leg, waist, so complete the main body. Then they got like the feather unit. First the show what parts we need to remove, such as the part for shoulder and the leg parts here, and then the backpack and waist, the clear part in the backpack here. Continue at the back here. So backpack and attached to the main body, and the connector for action base at below here. Then this is a gimmick. You can then move and remove some of this wing and attach to the action base for the posing parts. And this is a weapon, beam well gun, small weapon. And okay, I think that's all for the instruction. Okay, so here is marking guide, and here's the color guide and some of the info here. Next, Gundam Next Universal Century. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing this kit. We do speed build and review for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.